All right, let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about investing your money. You've probably heard about ISAs, right? That tax-free savings account that's supposed to help your money grow. And if you're considering Nutmeg as a platform to do that, a common question pops up: how much do I actually need to start investing each month? Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's get one thing straight. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistent, long-term growth. So, while the initial investment is important, it's often the consistent contributions that truly make a difference over time. That said, we all have budgets. So, what's the minimum you can actually invest in a Nutmeg ISA each month? Well, the good news is, Nutmeg doesn't have a strict minimum monthly investment. You can start as small or as big as you want. But let's be real, small consistent contributions are often better than sporadic large ones. Why? Because consistency helps you average out market fluctuations. Imagine investing a fixed amount every month. When the market is high, you'll buy fewer shares. When it's low, you'll buy more. Over time, this dollar-cost averaging can help smooth out your overall investment performance. But, while there's no strict minimum, it's essential to consider your financial goals. If you're aiming for a substantial sum for a house, retirement, or your kids' education, you might need to invest more than someone saving for a holiday. So, how much should you invest? Well, a common rule of thumb is to invest what you can comfortably afford without compromising your daily needs. Start small if you must, but gradually increase your contributions as your income grows. Remember, it's about building a habit of saving and investing. Another thing to consider is the type of Nutmeg ISA you're investing in. A lifetime ISA, for instance, has different rules and benefits compared to a standard ISA. Make sure to understand the specifics of the ISA you choose to make the most of it. Now, while there's no magic number for the minimum monthly investment, consistency is key. Even small amounts invested regularly can grow into something significant over time. Remember, investing involves risks. Past performance is not indicative of future results. It's essential to do your own research or consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.